What if aliens kidnapped you? Could you ever find your way home? Imagine waking up aboard an alien spacecraft. There is no sun, no moon, and no familiar stars. An alien walks over and asks you only one question. Where is your home? Earth. You answer. The alien pauses. Where is Earth? The United States. It keeps waiting. Where, for the first time, you realize you do not actually know your address. Not the one your mail uses, but the one the universe would understand if you wanted to go home. You would first have to find it. So let us begin. To find your home, you first have to find what contains it. The largest address we know is Laniakea, a gigantic region nearly 500 million light-years across, containing around 100,000 galaxies. Imagine every city in America replaced by an entire galaxy. That is Laniakea. Somewhere inside it is one galaxy. That is our next destination. To find that galaxy, you first need the right part of Laniakea. Our galaxy belongs to the Virgo region, shaped by the gravity of the massive Virgo cluster. It is like knowing which state your city belongs to before finding the city itself. We are getting closer, but Earth is still impossible to see. Keep going. Inside that region is the local group, a neighborhood about 10 million light-years across. Dozens of galaxies live here, but only 3 dominate: Andromeda, Triangulum, and our own Milky Way. We have found the neighborhood. Now we have to find the right house. The Milky Way stretches about 100,000 light-years across and contains hundreds of billions of stars. Imagine searching for a single mailbox somewhere in the entire United States. That would actually be easier, because we are searching for one star inside an entire galaxy. We are getting closer, but we are still not close enough. Our sun does not live near the crowded center. It quietly orbits inside a smaller branch called the Orion Spur. Think of it as a quiet suburb outside a giant city. We have found the neighborhood. Now we need the right street. Surrounding our neighborhood is the local bubble, a huge cavity carved out by ancient exploding stars. The solar system is drifting through it right now. One box inside a bigger box. Still not home. Inside the local bubble is the local interstellar cloud, a thin cloud of gas that our entire solar system is moving through at this very moment. It is like driving through fog without even realizing it. Closer, just one more layer. Now we have reached the Heliosphere, an enormous bubble created by the solar wind. Everything inside it belongs to the sun. We have found the right property, but we still have not reached the front door. Surrounding that property is the Oort Cloud, a distant shell of icy objects that wraps around the solar system. It is so far away that even Voyager 1 has not reached it yet. One final boundary. Then everything changes. Inside the Oort Cloud is the solar system. One ordinary star, 8 planets, countless moons, one small blue world. Now we finally know where Earth is. Almost. Earth is only 12,742 kilometers wide. One planet among billions. Every ocean, every mountain, every language, every nation, and every person who has ever lived exists here. But Earth still is not your address. Inside Earth is the United States, 50 states, thousands of cities, millions of neighborhoods, millions of homes. Somewhere among them is yours. Almost there. Your state. Inside it is your city. Inside your city is your neighborhood. Inside your neighborhood is your street. Inside your street is your house. Inside your house is one room. Inside that room is you. From 500 million light-years away, your home looked impossible to find. A galaxy inside the Virgo region. A star inside a galaxy. A planet inside a star system. A country on a planet. A house inside a country. A room inside a house. You, inside a universe so vast that Earth almost disappears. The alien looks at you one last time.
So this is your home.
This time, you do not hesitate. Yes, because now you finally know exactly where home is.